Okay, folks, this is Mr. Senavani. We are going to speed run a puzzle cube. So let's go ahead and talk about it as we go. The puzzle cube is basically kind of one of those training things that we do just to kind of get you going. And for this example, I'm going to use whole units. Your puzzle is going to become a cube that breaks into 5 different parts. Oop, I finished the sketch. Let's get back in there. How's that for speed running? Oh, don't want that. Oh, don't do that. Oh my gosh, speed running. Speed running, no bien. All right, so back into the sketch. So I'm going to go ahead and design one of the many 5 parts. And everything's going to be a multiple of 3, or go into 3. So here I've got a 1 by 2. Go ahead and finish the sketch. I'm going to extrude both of these up 1 inch, or 1 unit. I've got a nice little L shape, and I'm just going to add on to this L shape before I go ahead and make my next piece. So I'll make a little tower right here, and then I just have to decide, do I want to do this 1 unit or 2 units? Let's just do 1 unit. Wow, things are really blowing up on my... And then say okay, and now I've got this body over here. Oh my goodness, let's get this out of the way. Oh my goodness, so much for the speed run, folks. All right, get that out of the way. The first thing to do before you move on to your second part is to create a component from the body. So now this is a component, and I'll go ahead and make a new component, and we'll just call it component 2, or we could say part 2, type standard, blah blah blah. Boom. So this one goes kind of semi-invisible. Look at it straight from the top. And basically I'm going to fill in some of these gaps here. So go ahead and put a sketch right here on this face. Take a look at it from an angle a little bit. All right, back to the top. Go ahead and make a little rectangle that is about there. And that's 1, so we'll just tab over, and the other one's going to be a 2er. And it's got to go this way. Good. And tab back, and that's got to be a 1. All right, and we'll finish the sketch. We'll extrude this correct direction, which is going to be this way, 1 inch. Now we got our second part going, but let's make it a little interesting. We'll put a sketch on top of this face, and we'll draw a rectangle that starts in this corner and comes down. Hey, make rectangle. Come down to there, 2 and 1, boom. Finish the sketch. We'll extrude that up 1 inch, both of them. So there's component number 2. So we'll create a component from, so let's just make a new component, component number 3. Wow. And we'll call it part 3. Oh, I guess not. What the heck just happened there? So let's try that again. Right click. Where's my new component? It's down here, part 2, component 3. I got to drag that out of there. How do we do that? Let's go ahead. Goodness, can we drag it out of there? Drag it up, drag it out. There we go. So now, this is the active component. I can tell because this little fisheye. We'll go ahead and make a sketch right here. We'll fill in more of these spots. So I'll make a rectangle that goes from here to here. That, extrude it down 1 inch. Put another sketch right on top here. We'll make like a T shape or an X shape. And what you'll find when you do this project is that you could get yourself stuck where no new things can get put in. So I've got this big pit down the middle. I think we can do this. So no 2 parts can be the same, and they're supposed to interlock. So because of those factors, I'm going to put a couple more onto this one. Wow, this is my favorite song. I don't know if you can hear that, but this song sucks. Oh my god. If this is your favorite song, I apologize, but my goodness. Hot garbage, just what kids need before lunch. All right, I'm going to go ahead and save this Puzzle Cube 2022. Okay, Mark, how are you? Do you like this song?
I don't know it.
Neither do I. I think it's pretty bad, actually. What's up with you?
Nothing much. I still dying on the second principles.
Okay. Okay.
It's just this, do you know if there's any way I can test if the snap fit will work? Because Fusion doesn't have the concept of flexibility.
Right. No, you're going to have to maybe make like a smaller model that you can print out and test.
Yeah, I'm planning on doing that, and as well as the snap.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds good. You too, man. All right, let's make a new component. We'll just try to pull off. Oh my God, what a song. So I'm just using existing extrusions to make my new one. See, it goes pretty quick. Just kind of fill in the... I'll have to add that one to the playlist. My God. All right.
Yeah, but I don't trade up much. These all
All right, let's see if this is going to work. Yeah, my last piece will just go in there. Game over.
It's a reminder of the view of what not to be called. And then like 30 seconds later, you're like a bunch of blood talking about and you start screaming about them.
My gosh, I can't see anything now.
The wizard is so good, but I don't use it because it's stupid. It's actually high though.
Alright.
Look at his deck, it's so grim. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I thought you said minor does suck, but he's they cancel would be to see how many purple wild. How many purple wild? How many classes? Hey, you want to join our plan again? What is that? Free elo. Yeah, dude. Use your arrow. Face. No, on the Q tower. Are you on the Why would you actually use it? Because it's the best strategy. Why did I get all the I got one. Mine is so close. Because you had already completed them and allowed them to dispute it.
Hey, this is my second last load.
How about one person? This is why I run out of this.
We're bringing it back how that work is, and I'll let you take over.
Oh wait, I just got it.
Yeah. I'm saying, Leo, did they run away from you like they run away from me?
Yeah, you can make funny jokes, but I make funnier jokes.
No, you said something, I make some stuff your joke, and then you go, huh? Huh? No, you go, hee hee hee, oh. Yo, Leo right now be like, hee hee hee, huh?
Imagine not using the cannon. It's Athens. Yeah, come on. Oh wait, I gotta show you guys this replay. Oh my god, this is fun.
Watch this.
I know. Yeah, I know. You should be ready selector. It's good. No, Henry gave me it. You're a bird. Yeah, he's smart before. So look at this, look at this, look at this. Vance has arguably the Lord Arden.